this is just a message I want you to know that we have bought the Real Amnesia game now, and we're gonna play it tomorrow, I think. And it's our computer we are filming with, and I'm not sure when we'll get more gaming montage movies, because my computer has some problems that we're fixing now. I'm not sure if it's Fraps that make them. Anyway, I'm gonna scan Fraps and see them, and if it's not any problem there, I will think on it. And maybe take a talk with little brother. Maybe we'll get some more reads of it, but that's just what we already have filmed. And if the Fraps got some problems, then we'll not film Amnesia or any other games after this. And I hope you enjoy our other videos, and that you like our channel, and that it's okay anyway. And that I hope we will can film these movies. Sorry if I had not practiced for this, so I didn't say it very nice now. But anyway, bye bye, and see you in our next video.